Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, today I am going to be planting some seeds called early crookneck yellow squash. And I'm going to be planting some in these pots because I like to give some plants, to my neighbors, my community, and family members so they can start their vegetable gardens. And then I also plant some in the ground in my vegetable garden. Now with these seeds, I'll show you what they look like. Okay. With these seeds, you want to plant them 3/4 to an inch down in the soil. And the soil that I use for container growing or for pots or whatever, they make a soil that is for container growing. You can also use raised bed in these containers, okay? And then plus I also use my compost and my cow manure, which is my favorite combo for when I'm doing this kind of project. Now when you were to put these in your garden, you want to use the same method as if you were planting pumpkins, okay? You want to do little hills. And when I say little hills, if you watched my other video when I was doing the pumpkins or explaining how I did the pumpkin patch, I'll explain it again because it's really, really simple. Remember when we were kids and we would go to the beach and we would take our pail and our bucket and we would put sand in there and we would pat it down and then we would flip it over and make a sand castle? Same concept, okay? That's how you would make a hill for planting pumpkin seeds, squash, okay? Same concept. Now, if you were to put this in the ground with the hill, you would do 6 to 8 seeds per hill, 3 inches apart. Your hills have to be 3 to 4 feet apart. Pumpkin hills have to be 4 to 6 feet apart. Days to germination with the crookneck is 8 to 12 days, so it's not that bad. You'll start to see sprouts in 8 to 12 days. And days to maturity is 42 to 60 days. Okay, so I'm going to start to plant these. I'm going to put about 3 seeds in each pot because, like I said, these will go to neighbors, people in my community, and family members. So the rest back in the envelope. And then I've got some soil here in this bag, and I'm just going to use this because, like I said, your seeds have to be 3/4 of an inch to an inch buried. So about a scoop, scoop and a half. All depending on the size of your little scoopy thing here. This is mine. This is what I'm using. So I'll do like a scoop and a half. And these seeds, I got at Rural King, and they were 89 cents for a pack. So it's not that bad at all. I paid a lot more money for seeds. So, and Rural King honestly has a very good selection of seeds right now. So if you're able to get to a Rural King, last time I was at a Tractor Supply, they were pretty run out of seed. So, but Rural King right now, because Rural King is actually closer to me than Tractor Supply, so get to a Rural King if you can. You are not cooperating, bag. And that is it for the soil. All right. Yay. Hard day's work, right? No manicure needed here. All right. That is all for this video. Have a wonderful day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.